Good afternoon, children. Very good afternoon to you. How are you? How do you do, children? Are you safe? Yes. Are you interested in our learning process? Yes. Children, take care of your health. Are you using the mask and sanitizer and should rule follow SOP. Children, take care of your health. In the are you ready to go? Everyone should be ready. Children, today today we shall continue about the lesson. Which lesson here? Colors of silence. Colors of silence. So in the three periods, we have completed three periods and we have learned about the Satish. How did he face problem? Not only him, but also all his family members. His father, brother, and also mother and all members of his family. Okay, children. So in the previous lessons from the beginning, he had death. What happened? Yes. He and his father and brother were going on the Recti Bridge, means old bridge. Old bridge and Recti Bridge, walking on the bridge, and he had lost his balance. He had lost his balance and fell into the river and touched the rock to head. The head was injured. The head was injured and was unconscious and severe injured. Children, it was an incident, and his father taken to the hospital for treatment. His son, doctor gave treatment to him, and gradually he will be improved and soon he will recover. But his father was very ill. But he hoped that his son shortly recover, and he was not able to, means unable to listen any words or any song. He was afraid of that became a deaf. He could not listen, he could not hear any sounds or any letters, any words. Children, so from the beginning he was suffering and he could not go to school. But his father supported him and taken to another school. ಬೇರೊಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನನ್ನು ಅಣಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾಕಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ and headmaster told him it is common school. But he could not listen or hear any words or any letters. So that you take to special school, it means deaf and dumb special school for the deaf. But his father was very angry. My son is not dumb. Underline that sentence. My son is not dumb. And he was angry with the headmaster. My son is taking treatment and gradually he could improve and recovery. He woke up so that in the third and fourth periods, then one day when he was looking gloomily, but he could not go out from his house. He was alone in the room because his father was optimistic and faith on him, and why decided that he is going to remain deaf all his life. Must always be optimistic. Chance of recovering is gently the chiding his wife, means scolding. Several visits to the doctors followed, with nothing improved for Satish. He remained in his silent world. The only solace means comfort. Okay, children? Would you understand? Yes. And he managed to paint, draw in spite of his father opposition. One day, when he was busy mixing the colors which is felt. He became aware of his father standing at the door. Where was his father? His father was standing at the door. Means his father observing him. He was mixing the colors. And look at children. The praise of God. Look at. Look at. Look at the word form of his preposition. Praise the Lord. Look at. Put on. Put off. Put forward. So many words are praise the Lord are here. Look at to find him staring at the painting intently. Satish reddened but continued, which is mixing. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ ತಂದೆ ಬಾಗಿಲು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ತನ್ನ ಮಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ different colors. You know that different. So what is the opposite word? Different? Yes, same. Different, same. Different color. Different colors, and his father came into the room, sat next to his son. ತನ್ನ ಮಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. He was looking. You want to is very bad thing. Don't be. Don't you. Don't means do not. So don't short form do not laugh. Was not, wasn't, is not, isn't. Do not, don't, did not, didn't. Short form, laugh. Not, this is negative word. No, not, never. What are these? Yes, these are negative words. And he only read his lips. He did not reply. Avatar Narayan put his hand on Satish's shoulders. Put his hand. What did he do? His father. Who was his father? Avatar Narayan. Avatar Narayan. Put his hand on Satish's shoulders. Satish na bhujad ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ನೀಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈತಾರೆ ನಾವು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಂದಿಸ್ತಾರೋ, ಬೈತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಡ್. ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ to do that work, that activity. Children, just remember in the previous class. So what was Satish unable to believe para unlike 30 para? Children, what did Satish see at the far corner of? Far means FAR, far. ಅದು ದೂರ. Opposite word near. FAR or far or near. Opposite word. Children, remember yesterday I told you. Say far. FAR, far. Near. Far. Near. For is a preposition. For me, for you, for us. For God, nanagadi, ninagadi, for you, for us, for me. So these are prepositions. Children, as you know that. Say parts of speech. As you know that. How many parts of speech in English language? Yes. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. They are yes, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. How many words are there? Yes, 8 words are there. We are using the different way. So in the 32 paragraph, so why did it act? And in the paragraph, Satish was unable to believe or faith that his father was not angry with him for painting. ಅವನು ಬಣ್ಣವನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ ಕೋಪೋದ್ರೇಕನೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಆದರೆ ಅವನು ಕೋಪಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. He could not angry. Moments later, his father left. Not leave. Tense form of the word. So present tense. You know that present tense, past tense, then past participle of the word. So leave, then left, leave, left. So in the left, the room, when he returned a couple of hours later, his arms were full of pains. ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನು ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬ್ರಷಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಂಚಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಲಾಕಾರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ painted using different colors and different types of brushes of all shapes and size. Very important, underline that word. Shapes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಆಕಾರ, size ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾತ್ರ. ನಾವು ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು we should have the concept how to write, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೊದಲು ಕಲಾಕಾರ ತಂದೆಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೆಚನ್ನು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ತಾನು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಚಿತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್, ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ he has concept, ideas, and size and several rows of drawing sheets. Several means many, ಅನೇಕ ಏನು ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೆಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆ ಕಾಗದ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ರೋಲ್, ಸುರುಳಿಗಳು, ಶೀಟ್ಸ್. He carefully set them down on Satish's table. ಸತೀಶನ ಟೇಬಲಿಗೆ ತಂದು ಮುಂತಂದೆ ರೋಲ್ ತಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. It means his father accepted, agreed his thoughts and feelings, ideas. Paragraph 32. Pitaji began to Satish's story. His father nodded his head. A smile breaking at the corner of his mouth. His eyes remained sad, though. So in this paragraph, began. Hence from the word. So began, then began. So noted means smile breathing. Smile breathing. At the corners of his mouth. Mouth andre ಬಾಯಿ. Mouth andre ಬಾಯಿ. Corners andre ಮೂಲೆಗಳು. Breaking head. Breaking head. Is a principle. Note that word. Razor. Breaking. Break. Broke. Broken. Children. Break. Break and break are homophones. What is homophone? Same sound, different spellings and meanings. What is called? Break, broke, break, broke, broken. Children, you should know tense form of the word: present tense, past tense. Then another past form of past participle. Break, broke, broken. A robber breaks the window, door. So it's a word for break. Breaking at the corners of his mouth. His eyes remain sad. ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ದುಃಖಿತನ sad. Though ಆದರೂ they are for you, Satish. I will find out. Underline that word. Find out. Found out. I will find out the best. So what is the comparative of best? Yes, better. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. What are these? Yes, degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. How many kinds of degrees? Yes, 3 kinds of degrees. Positive, comparative degree, then superlative degree. I will find out the best school of arts for you. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾ ಶಾಲೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ನಿನಗ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚೂಸನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. Satish eyes filled with tears. Underline that side. Satish eyes filled with tears and he did not, and it had uncharacteristic. So think he hugged his father tightly. Underline that sentence. Embrace. Hugged means embrace. Approchtane. Please look at the picture, children. You must draw, or you should draw the pictures. How his father hugged to him. How his father hugged him, embraced him. ತನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. He hugged his father tightly. ಬಿಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. He is hurt, full of love. Uncharacteristic means ಆದರ್ಶವಿಲ್ಲತಕ್ಕಂಥ of love for his stern father who had at last accepted. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ agree, accepted. That is destiny, means vidhi. Fate, destiny means fate. Lay in canvas and paint. Paint ಅಂದರೆ ಬಣ್ಣವನ್ನು lay ಮಾಡೋದು, painting. Where he within a short time learn. Okay, learn. learn. Okay, children. Learn, learn, learn. Or learned. Also learn, 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 learn. And learn about life. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುರಿತು, ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಜೀವನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. It is this boy now popularly, ಜನಪ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅನ್ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್. children, popular unpopular, un is a suitable prefix of the word. Okay children, so popularly known as Satish Gujral. Satish Gujral ಹೇಗೆ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫೇತ್ ಇರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ confidence. So okay children, everyone should have confidence. Confidence. How many syllables are here? Yes, 3 syllables. Confidence. Confidence. 3 sounds. Syllable, 3 syllables. Confidence. Everyone should have confidence. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಚ್ ದಟ್ ಗೋಲ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ success in our task, in our achievement. ನಾವು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. We can do it. If you work hard, you will be success in our task. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ next paragraph 35. Satish Gujral is among the foremost artists. Children, foremost artist of India. He is one of the few artists who is accomplished. Accomplished means achieve. ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಲಾ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಲಿಯೋನಾರ್ಡೋ ಡಾ ವಿಂಚಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂತಹ ಅನೇಕ ಕಲಾಕಾರರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ he was one of the best painter in several art forms like painting, sculpture, architecture. Not only painter, not only painting, but also sculpture, ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ, ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್, ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪಿ. ಸತೀಶ್ ಗುಜ್ರಾಲ್ is also writer, ಒಬ್ಬ ಬರಹಗಾರ. He was also good writer, fine writer. Exhibitions of his works have been held all over the world. Children, just remember, how can you say that Satish became popular all over the world? ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ, ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತೀಯ ಸತೀಶ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್? ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಕಲಾಕಾರ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಸೇ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ? ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್? ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ? ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಸೇ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ರೀಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ 36, if we read correctly, carefully, and we have able to write the correct answer to this question. How can you say that Satish became? Exhibitions of works have been held all over the world and displayed in prestigious museum. ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಟೀಜಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಘನತೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್, ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಟಿ ವಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅನೇಕ ಚಾನಲ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕುಂಚದಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಬ್ರಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನೇ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಕುಂಚ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಯೋಮಾ, ಹಿರೋಶಿಮಾ collections, Washington and National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi. He has published 4 books of his works in the various arts. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ he wrote several books and he has published ಅನೇಕ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಟ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 4 books of his works in the various arts. ಈ ಒಂದು ಭಿನ್ನವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಲೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಕಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So in this way, just we follow the Satish Gujarat. ನೋಡಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಗುಜರಾಲ್ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ಅವನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಪ್ಟಮಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಪ್ಟಮಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ to his son Shadrach. So in this paragraph 37, he was awarded the order of the crown for the best architectural design. ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನೋಡಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ನು, ಒಬ್ಬ ವಾಸ್ತುಶಿಲ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಳವನು, ಅಪಾರವಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಉಳ್ಳಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬೃಹದಾಕಾರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮಾರು ಅಂತಸ್ತುಗಳ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳನ್ನು, ಬಹುಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇನ್ ಕ್ರೌನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿರೀಟ. He was awarded order of the crown for the best architectural design of the 20th century for his design of the Belgian embassy in New Delhi. He has also been honored ಅಂದರೆ ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾಗಿದೆ. Honor, design. Children, remember that honor, design with the Padma Vibhushana. ಪದ್ಮಭೂಷಣ ಭಾರತದ ಅನೇಕ ಏನು ಉನ್ನತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳಿವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ awarded given by the respected person. It is also highest award in India. Padma Bhushan, Padma Bhushan. You know that Dr. Rajkumar, Padma Bhushan, Padma Bhushan. So many writers and any other fields. So they got several awards and then honored with the Padma Bhushan. What was the honor? Yes. Who got the honor? Say Satish Gujarat. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅವನೇನಾರು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾರು ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಅವನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಲೂ he could not success. He could not reach that goal. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. If we try to task or work, ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕು. His life of achievement, ಅವನ ಜೀವನದ ಸಾಧನೆ is ample proof that with ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೆ ವಿಕಲಾಂಗತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ದೈಹಿಕ ವಿಕಲಾಂಗ, ಅಂಗವೈಕಲ್ಯ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಿನ ತುದಿ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಅನೇಕ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಸರಿಗಮ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಹಾಡುಗಾರ ಸಿಂಗರ್ಸ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಸಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ disabled. They are blind, dumb, deaf, so many disabled persons are, but they are making achievement. They are making achievement. Singers, you know that Sarigama and any other singers also, all were there. Blind. So physical disabled, but they are reaching that goal. They would success or succeeded their work. Succeeded their work. So physical, ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನನ್ನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕಿವುಡ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವನು he could not become a popular artist in the world. ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ was one of the popular, most popular, more popular, most popular. He was most popular, one of the most popular artist in the world, in the world. So here is some questions on game. Just I am reading, just I am telling you, please observe, follow me, all of you follow me. Yes. What is Satish see at the far corner of the garden? Why did it attract you? So paragraph 22nd. Okay, children. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವ? So you saw through the window the corner of the garden. There is a tree and a bird sat on that branches of the trees, and he observed and languished time. It was languished time and also black crest. Okay, black crest. Crest means top. Black crest. Observed and came down and took pencil and paper and draw the picture. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಬಹಳ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. Then both the parents' work is well wishes, but each care for him in different way. How? Which action of Satish changed his father's attitude? ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯ ಮನೋಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು attitude ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೋಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ? Paragraph 29. What was Satish unable to believe? Paragraph 30. Then how did Satish express his gratitude to his father? ಹೇಗೆ how did Satish express? ಸತೀಶ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಅಭಿವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ his gratitude, ತನ್ನ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು. Gratitude is gratitude, ಅವನ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು to his father. So he showed gratitude to his father. That is. Then name any three fields in which Satish Gujral has made his name. 35. How can I say Satish became a popular all over the world? Then last question is, if you are asked to give another title to this story, what title would you suggest? Just choice. So how did Satish meet with an accident? Do you think the accident occurred due to his carelessness? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪಘಾತಗಳು, ಅನಾಹುತಗಳು, ದುರಂತಗಳು ಸಂಭವಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಸದಾ ಜಾಗರೂಕರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್, ಶುಡ್ ಅವೇರ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಎವರ್ ಅವೇರ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಅವೇರ್. ಸೊ just some questions are here. You should write all questions, home assignment, write down your notebook and take care of your health, and you must read again and again, not only read and write, and once or twice again and again read the lesson. Some words are difficult here, some meanings of the words, glossary words in the paragraph, all pages read, and if you read the glossary words and you can improve, enrich vocabulary, to develop your vocabulary. Children, take care. Tomorrow you must bring the home assignment. Okay? Take care of your health. Thank you so much, all of you participating in our learning process. Okay? Thank you.